and welcome to one of the videos of Power BI series. Power BI is extremely powerful tool. It can be used for data analytics and data visualization alike. Power BI is a free software by Microsoft. You can use Power BI for a wide spectrum of data analytics and dashboard creation. In this example, we are using Power BI to monitor and create a dashboard for production in gas wells. You can have multiple elements in Power BI project. You can have multiple charts. You can have well selection slicers, which can update your wells as you select them. You can select single well, or you can select multiple well and watch the effect in the chart itself. You can expand one of those charts in focus mode. Plus, you can create different things. For example, you can create metrics. You can create scatter plots. You can create line plots and all of those various things. Let's go ahead and create a single line chart. We'll go to visualizations and select line. From our daily data, we will select date as x-axis, plus we will be selecting oil volume as y-axis. You can just resize the chart or the widget, plus you can change the hierarchy of the date. You can apply various filters, plus you can add secondary Y chart as well. Let's go ahead and add the gas volume as a secondary Y. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more Power BI videos.